Hello guys. I will build a house. Wait. A big house. And another house. But it won't fit, so I will not create another house. Okay, it's very guys, tignan lang na si oh. Kunin ko na yung mami. Nahulog pa talaga yun. Kalimutan ko. Nag-ano pala ako eh. You can see it. Oh. I know. This house. It's a castle. Comment if you start castle. It fell. Bro! Why do it keep falling apart? How? Muntik na ako magsabi ng bad word. Kakainis. Ay, kakainis naman to. Hulog na hulog. It's so big, you can't even see me. And I will add the bed. Green bed. Now it's done. Look, take a look. Wait. See that? So cool. Makamara. Like and subscribe or I will destroy it. Bye guys.